Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to uninstall Ragdoll Rumble Fight on your Android phone. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open settings on your Android phone. So swipe down from the top to the bottom and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Scroll down, tap on apps, then tap on default apps, and here you will see home app Ragdoll Rumble Fight. So tap on it and then select default home app as a system launcher. So select the system launcher, then again open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management, and here search for Ragdoll Rumble Fight and tap on it, then tap on uninstall, and this will ask you Ragdoll Rumble Fight, do you want to uninstall this app? So tap on OK to confirm to uninstall it, and that's it. So by following these steps, you can easily uninstall or remove Ragdoll Rumble Fight on your Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.